next stop, we go here, Blanc Lake. Okay, we're starting to climb here. That's our target. Okay, starting to go up now. Okay, going up Mass Rock for our check-in. So hot. Start there. Eagle Beak. Okay, almost up. That's Mass Rock. Mass Rock now. Going to our check-in in the radio station. So there's the radio station of Mount Nicholson. And that's my friend taking photos. And this is the view here. Guys, so para siyang ulo, mata, ulo, di ba? Okay. Continue our way up to Mount Nicholson radio station. Then we will go to Mount Cameron. Okay, we're up the radio station of Mount Nicholson. So there are some ribbons here, and this one is going to the cliff, Blanc Lake Crag. We're going to Mount Cameron. Oh, so hot today. Okay. So from there we go here. Ito yung papunta dun sa here. Diba hindi natin ito nadaanan? Okay, we're here at Middle Gap Road. Okay, continuing our way to Mount Cameron. So we're here in Middle Gap. But this is also part of the Hong Kong Trail going to Mount Cameron. We're just here in Aberdeen Country Park. Now there's an intersection. This is going to Aberdeen Reservoir. This one going to Wan Chai Gap. This is going to Wan Chai Gap where we came from. So I think we'll take this to Mount Cameron. Yes, we're going to Mount Cameron now. Okay, from that path, watch out for this river. There's a shortcut going up to Mount Cameron. It's already there, so I'm going up now. Okay, going up Mount Cameron. Mainit. Mainit to daigad. Yan nga, iisa lang view namin. Ocean Park. Hanggang mamaya yan. Init. Grabe. There's a way here. I don't know if we will exit here. So we'll go to the trigonometric pose. We came from here. There's a good spot to take photo there. Try go now. Yan, lunch break. Done na kami sa aming Mount Cameron.
ayaw nila ang saging.
Bread. Mamaya yung bread ko. Okay, we're going down now to Bennett Hill. We already had to check in. And we had a quick lunch. So we go now. Continue our check-in. That's my companion. This trail is well marked. So we will go back to the continuation of Hong Kong Trail. And then we will go to Bennett's Hill. So yun nga guys, oh, Ocean Park pa rin ang view natin. Iwan.
Oh my God!
Guys, there's a fire here right now in Middle Gap.
Tungtong ka dito, Gagi. Maganda oh. Ay, tungta kaya to? Ba't wala pang ano? Tungtong ka dyan, kita. Oh my God!
Ala, yun na siya guys. Ayun na oh, yung sunog. Oh my God. So the fire is coming up now. Just started. Now we're heading to Bennett Hill. Oh thank God it's not in our way. We thought it's in our way. So that's our next target. Bennett Hill. Hope the fire will slow down or will be turned off soon. Turn off. Switch lang, turn off. So we're heading to Mount Bennett now. Oh, Mount Bennett. Bennett Hill via Hong Kong Trail. So when we got down Mount Cameron, exactly on Middle Gap viewing point, there's a wildfire starting. I'll follow the Aberdeen Reservoir. Going down. We're here now on the road. And there's the chopper with the water to turn off the fire. Still follow the Aberdeen Reservoir. And look, Aberdeen Reservoir Country Walk is nice. So the way here is nice. You just walk in the water catcher. And it's shaded. Good for family walk. So from there, follow this one, the Hong Kong Trail, going up. Either take this way or this way, but we will take this way via Bennett Hill. Okay, going to Bennett Hill for the check-in. Another. From there we will take the Middle Gap or Nam Phuong Road to go to Brick Hill, because this one is going to the Aberdeen Lower Reservoir, to the barbecue site, so it's quite far. And we will go to Brick Hill, so this is the shortest way, although it's long but still short. Here, then we will take Nam Phuong Road. Oh, then there we go to Nam Phuong Road, and there's a path here. Oh yeah. Maybe it's going to a crag or a cliff. Okay, following the water catcher. Okay. Look at that. Nanfung Road. That one. Here. That's going to Blanklink. So we'll exit here. Guys, the fire's still there.